እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ11ኛ ክፍል ባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 6 ነው። የዩኒት 6 ፖፑሌሽን ኤንድ ናቹራል ሪሶርስስ ይላል። እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ 150 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል እና ለዛሬው ዝግጅት ማለት ነው። የአሁኑ ዝግጅታችን የፓርት 4ን አብረን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ይሄኛው እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ የተዘጋጁ 150 ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዟችሁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነዚህና ሌሎች በርካታ የሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን ጨምረን በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። የመጽሐፍ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡ አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንለፍ። 91 which of the following can be consequence of global warming? A. Increased ice caps. B. Rising sea levels. C. Decreased rainfall. D. More predictable weather. B. Rising sea levels. Okay. ይሄ ግሎባል ዋርሚንግ እየጨመረ ሲሄድ ወይም ደግሞ የግሎባል ዋርሚንግ አንድ ኮንሲኩዌንስ ምንድነው? የሲ ሌቭልስ ወይም ደግሞ የሲ ወይም የባህር ከፍ ማለት ሌቭሉ ከፍ ማለት ምክንያቱም በረዶ እየቀለጠ ሲሄድ የውሃ መጠን እየጨመረ ስለሚሄድ ሲ ሌቭሉ ከፍ ያለ ይሄዳል ራይዝ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ግሎባል ዋርሚንግ causes polar ice caps to melt. ፖላር አይስ ካፕስ የሚባለው የበረዶ ግግሩ የሜልት ያደረገ እየቀለጠ ይሄዳል leading to rising sea levels which can result in flooding of coastal areas. 92 What is the impact of air pollution on the soil? A. It improves soil fertility. B. It causes soil erosion. C. It alters the pH levels of the soil. D. It decreases water retention in soil. C. It alters the pH level of the soil. Okay, ስለዚህ የፖሊዩሽን ኦን ዘ ሶይል አንድ ኢምፓክት ምንድነው? pH ሌቭልን አልተር ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ኤር ፖሊዩሽን ላይክ ሰልፈር ዳይኦክሳይድ ካን ኮምባይን ዊዝ ዋተር ኢን ዘ አትሞስፌር ቱ ፎርም አሲድ ሬን እንዲኖር ያደርጋል which lowers the pH of the soil። ስለዚህ pH of the soil lower ይሆናል ዝቅ ይላል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ and affects plant growth. 93 Which of the following contributes to the depletion of fish populations? A. Excessive fishing. B. Air pollution. C. Forest fires. D. Noise pollution. A. Excessive fishing. Okay, excessive fishing የአሳ ምርት በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ አሳን መጠቀም ወይም ደግሞ አሳን ማስገር ማለት ነው። የፊሽ ፖፑሌሽን ዲፕሌት እንዲያደርግ እንዲቀንስ ያደርጋል። ኦኬ ኤክሰሲቭ ፊሽንግ ሚንስ ኦቨር ፊሽንግ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ known as the excessive fishing removes fish from the ocean faster than they can reproduce ከሚደረጉበት በላይ ማለት ነው። ፊሽ ማድረግ ወይም ደግሞ የፊሽንግ ስራ መስራት ኦቨር ፊሽንግ ነው። so it depletes the population of the fish. 94 How does the use of refrigerants and coolants impact the environment? A. They contribute to ozone layer depletion. B. They increase global warming. C. They decrease air pollution. D. They promote biodiversity. A. They contribute to ozone layer depletion. Okay. Certain refrigerants and coolants release chlorine and bromine compounds that break down the ozone layer, okay, which protects the earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. ይሄ ኦዞን ሌየር የሚባለው ultraviolet radiation harmful radiation ማለት ነው። ወደ መሬት እንዳይደርስና ፕሮቴክት እንዲያደርግ የሚያግዘን ሌየር ነው። ያንን ሌየር ዲፕሌት የሚያደርጉት የሪፍሪግራንትስ እና ኩላንትስ የሚባሉ ክሎሪን እና ብሮሚን የሚባሉ ኮምፓውንዶችን ስለሚለቁ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 95 What is the effect of sewage discharge on the environment. A, it improves soil quality. B, it enhances biodiversity. C, it leads to the contamination of water bodies. D, it reduces air pollution. C, it leads to the contamination of water bodies. Okay, so industrial sewage often contains harmful chemicals and toxins that pollute water bodies, making water unsafe for both wildlife and humans ማለት ነው። ለሰውና ለዋይልድ ላይፍ አደገኛ ይሆናል የውሃ ቦዲ ወይም ውሃማ አካላት ይበከላሉ ማለት ነው በኢንዱስትሪያል ስዌጅ ሲበከሉ። 96 which activity is responsible for loss of biodiversity? A, deforestation. B, solar energy production. C, planting trees. D, recycling. A, deforestation. Okay, so deforestation destroys habitats and leading to the soil, the loss of biodiversity as species lose their natural homes. 97 what is the one of the effect of water pollution on human health? A, improved digestion. B, waterborne disease. C, increased life expectancy. D, stronger immune system. B, waterborne disease. Okay, the pollution, water pollution የwaterborne disease ወይም ውሃ ወለድ በሽታ ያስከትላሉ human healthን affect ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። 96 which human activity contributes to the depletion of ozone layer? A, mining activities. B, use of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. C, urban development. D, waste incineration. Okay, B, use of air conditioning and refrigeration የምንለውን ሲስተም እና ኤር ኮንዲሽኒንግ መጠቀም አንዱ የኦዞን ሌየር ዲፕሌሽን እንዲከሰት ሊያደርግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። 99 what is the main component of ozone layer or O3? A, 2 oxygen atoms. B, 1 oxygen atom. C, 3 oxygen atoms. D, nitrogen and oxygen atoms. C, 3 oxygen atoms. ያው O3 ማለት 3 oxygen atoms ያለው ማለት ነው። 100 which of the following is a major cause of ozone layer depletion? A, sulfur dioxide. B, carbon dioxide. C, chlorofluorocarbon or CFCs. D, methane. C, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, this is the major cause for the ozone layer depletion. 101 where is the ozone primarily found on the Earth's atmosphere? A, troposphere. B, stratosphere. C, mesosphere. D, thermosphere. B, stratosphere. Okay, the stratosphere is the layer that ozone layer is located in the stratosphere where it is absorbed the most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. 102 what is the main harmful effect of ozone depletion? A, increase in global temperature. B, skin cancer and cataracts. C, increased precipitation. D, deforestation. B is skin cancer and cataracts ማለት ነው። የኦዞን ሌየር ዲፕሌት ከሆነ ከተሸነቆረ ማለት ነው ሃርምፉል አልትራቫዮሌት ሬይ ወደ መሬት ከደረሰ እና ቆዳ ላይ ካረፈ የስኪን ካንሰር የቆዳ ካንሰር እና ካታራክትስ የሚባለውን በሽታ ያስከትላል ማለት ነው። 103 which chemical reaction cause the depletion of ozone in the atmosphere? A, oxygen reacts with ultraviolet rays, it produces ozone. B, chlorine reacts with ozone, it produces chlorine monoxide plus oxygen. C, nitrogen reacts with oxygen, it gives nitrogen dioxide. D, carbon dioxide reacts with water, it gives carbonic acid. B, chlorine reacts with ozone, it gives chlorine monoxide and oxygen. Okay, so chlorine reacts with ozone molecules to form chlorine monoxide and oxygen. A process of depletes the ozone layer. ይሄ process ozone layer deplete ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። 104 which of the following is the primary cause of acid rain? A carbon dioxide, B sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, C oxygen pollution, D chlorofluorocarbons. B sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide እነዚህ ሁለቱ የአሲድ ሬን እንዲሆን ትልቅ ኮንትሪቢዩት የሚያደርጉ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ the burning of fossil fuels release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere which reacts with water vapor to form sulfuric and nitric acid. እነዚህ እያንዳንዳቸው ይሄኛው sulfuric acid ይሄ ደግሞ nitrogen oxide nitric acid ይፈጥራል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 105 which of the following is an effect of acid rain on plants? A increased nutrient absorption, B damage to leaf surfaces, C enhanced seed germination, D increased plant growth. B damage to leaf surfaces. Okay, የአሲድ ሬን ሊፍ ሰርፌስ ዳሜጅ ያደርጋል። የሊፍን ወይም የቅጠልን የፕላንት አካል ዳሜጅ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። 106 which of the following is not a consequence of acid rain? A soil degradation, B harmful aquatic ecosystems, C corrosion of metal structures, D formation of ground level ozone. D formation of ground level ozones. This is not the consequence of the acid rain. Okay, ground ozone layer ozone level ground level ozone ወይም ደግሞ ስመግ የሚባለው ማለት ነው is caused by chemical reactions in the atmosphere, but acid rain is not directly contribute to the formation. 107 what does acid rain primarily affect the aquatic ecosystems? A pH levels, B oxygen levels, C fish populations, D light penetration. A pH level. Okay, the pH level acid rain lowers the pH of water bodies and making them more acidic, and which can harm aquatic organisms such as fish and amphibians. 108 which compound is formed when sulfur dioxide reacts with water in the atmosphere? A sulfuric acid, B nitric acid, C carbonic acid, D hydrochloric acid. A sulfuric acid. Okay, this is the acid. Okay, the acid that form when sulfur dioxide reacts with the water. Okay. 109 what is biodiversity? A variety of life in terms of species, genes and ecosystems, B the number of species in a single ecosystem, C the health of a single species in an ecosystem, D the variety of human population. A the variety of life in terms of species, genes and ecosystems. ይሄ ምን ይባላል? ባዮዳይቨርሲቲ እንለዋለን። 110 which of the following is a major cause of biodiversity loss? A sustainable farming practice, B habitat destruction and fragmentation, C population growth of native species, D climate stabilization. B habitat destruction and fragmentation. This is the cause of the biodiversity loss. Okay, destruction and fragmentation of habitats eliminate or reduce food resources and living species for many species, leading to the biodiversity loss. 111 how does our exploitation contribute to biodiversity loss? A by reducing natural predators, B. By depleting natural resources faster than they can regenerate. C. They encouraging genetic diversity. D. By creating new habitats for species. B. By depleting resources faster than they can regenerate. Okay. 112. What is the impact of invasive species on biodiversity? A. They increase genetic diversity. B. They help maintain ecosystem balance. C. They outcompete native species for resources. D. They promote ecological stability. C. They outcompete native species for resources. Okay, this is the invasive species often dispute ecosystems by competing with the native species for food and habitat. ለሀቢታት እና ለመኖሪያ እና ለምግብ ኮምፒቲሽን ሲኖር ማለት ነው። leading to the decline in native biodiversity. 113. Which of the following is an effect of biodiversity loss on humans? A. Improved agricultural yields. B. Decreased water availability. C. Enhanced ecosystem services. D. Increased availability of natural medicines. B. Decreased water availability. Okay, this is the effect of biodiversity loss, one of the effects. Okay. 114. What is bioaccumulation? A. The process of energy flowing through the food chain. B. The gradual increase in concentration of toxins in living organisms. C. They recycling the nutrients in the ecosystem. D. They break down of toxins in the environment. B. The gradual increase in concentration of toxins in living organisms. ይህ ምን ይባላል? bioaccumulation ይባላል ማለት ነው። 115. What is the persistent bioaccumulative toxic substance when PBTs? A. Chemical that break down easily in the environment. B. Chemicals that accumulate in fatty tissues and don't degrade quickly. C. Chemicals that are always present in the air. D. Chemicals that are beneficial for plants. B. Chemicals that accumulate in fatty tissues and don't degrade quickly. በቀላሉ ዲግሬድ አይሆንም አይማማም ወይም ደግሞ አይጠፋም ማለት ነው። ይሄ persistent bioaccumulative toxic substance ይባላል ማለት ነው። 116. Which of the following is an example of metal that bioaccumulate in the food chain? A. Sodium. B. Lead. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. B. Lead. Okay, lead is a toxic metal that can accumulate in living organisms and cause harmful effects, especially when it passes through the food chain. Okay. 117. Which trophic level in food chain is most likely to have the highest concentration of toxins? A. Primary producer. B. Primary consumer. C. Secondary consumers. D. Tertiary consumers. D. Tertiary consumers. Okay. The top of the food chain, tertiary consumers accumulate the highest levels of toxins due to bioaccumulation from the lower trophic levels. 118. What is the common source of toxic bioaccumulant in the environment? A. Nitrogen compound. B. Pesticides and heavy metals. C. Oxygen. D. Carbon dioxide. B. Pesticides and heavy metals. Okay. Pesticides like DDT የሚባለው ማለት ነው። የጸረ ተባይ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። and heavy metals like mercury are common sources of toxic accumulant የሚባሉት ወይም ደግሞ bioaccumulants የሚባሉት እነዚህ ሜርኩሪን ጨምሮ ማለት ነው። heavy metals የሚባሉት እና DDT ወይም pesticides ማለት ነው። 119 why do bioaccumulative toxins increase as you move up to food chain? A. They are broken down and absorbed at higher rates. B. The toxins cannot be excreted and accumulate in the tissue. C. They are absorbed from the air at higher levels. D. Primary consumers don't absorb toxins. B. The toxins cannot be excreted and accumulate in the tissue. Okay, this is the bioaccumulative toxins are not easily excreted by organisms, so they accumulate as they move up in the food chain. 120 which of the following is a health effect of exposure to bioaccumulative toxins like mercury? A. Improved immune system function. B. Brain development impairment. C. Enhanced reproductive health. D. Increased energy levels. B. Brain development impairment ማለት ነው። ይሄ ላይክ እንደ ሜርኩሪ አይነት ሄቪ ሜታልስ የሚባሉት ባዮአኪሙሌቲቭ ቶክሲንስ የሚባሉት ማለት ነው። ምን የጤና እክል ሊያስከትሉ ይችላሉ? ብሬን ዴቨሎፕመንት ኢምፔርመንት ወይም ደግሞ የአእምሮ እድገት ውስንነትን ሊያስከትል ይችላል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ exposure to mercury can lead to neurological damage, particularly impairing brain development in fetuses, infants and children ማለት ነው። ልጆችና ጽንስ ላይ የብሬን ዴቨሎፕመንት ኢምፔርመንት ችግርን በሽታን ሊያስከትል ይችላል ማለት ነው። ይሄ bioaccumulative toxins የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ላይክ እንደ ሜርኩሪ የሚባሉት ኬሚካሎች ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ለአሁኑ እነዚህን የጥያቄና መልስ ዝግጅታችንን በዚህ ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 4 ማለት ነው። ፓርት 5 እና የመጨረሻውን ይዘን እንቀርባለን በሚቀጥለው። እስካሁን ባሉት ጥያቄዎች ዙሪያ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ሌሎች አስተያየቶች ካሉ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን። እነዚህና ሌሎች በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ሞዴል መጽሐፍ ወይም ደግሞ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ለፈተና ለኢንትራንስ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍል የፈተና ዝግጅት በቀላሉና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዛችሁ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠ አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰቡን አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።